Today, we will show you how Areca leaf plates, a sustainable alternative to traditional plastic and paper plates, are made from the leaves of the Areca palm. When a leaf is ready to fall, the petiole gradually weakens, causing the leaf to droop downwards. Eventually, the petiole breaks away from the trunk or branch, and the leaf falls to the ground. The first step in the Areca plate manufacturing process is collecting the leaves. These leaves are hand-picked by local workers, who select only the healthiest and most robust ones. Store the leaf in a dry and cool place, away from direct sunlight and heat. Excessive heat and moisture can cause the leaf to deform or become moldy. Areca leaf are often used for serving and eating food, as they are a safe and hygienic option for food consumption. The process of making Areca leaf plates involves harvesting the leaves of the Areca palm tree, which are then washed and cleaned to remove any dirt or debris. The leaves are then heated or pressed to soften them and make them more pliable. The softened leaves are then cut and shaped into the desired plate form, using molds or presses. Areca plates are available in different shapes, sizes, and designs. Some common shapes of Areca plates include round, square, rectangle, heart, and oval. Here are some more details on the different shapes of Areca plates. These plates are fully compostable and biodegradable, meaning they will break down in just 5 to 7 days, leaving no harmful residue in the environment. Areca plates have also gained popularity in other countries as well due to their eco-friendly properties. They are commonly used in countries such as the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, and Canada as a sustainable alternative to disposable plates. We are a manufacturer of Areca products, which have a positive impact on sustainable acquisitions. This is because Areca products are made from the leaves of the Areca palm tree, which is a renewable resource. The leaves of the Areca palm are typically harvested without harming the tree, allowing it to continue growing and producing more leaves for future use. Thank you for watching this video.